Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 11th August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination, so try to watch the session till end for your better preparation. As per you know, this was our previous three questions. Our first question was, which country will host ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021? Brazil, India, UAE, Australia. The correct answer here is option B, India. Recently, International Cricket Council has confirmed that India will host the T20 World Cup 2021. Okay, ICC is in news. ICC stands for International Cricket Council. The headquarter is situated in Dubai, UAE, and Manu Sahani is the CEO of ICC. Manu Sahani is the CEO of ICC. Okay, our second question was, Maharashtra government ties up with whom to start virtual classes? Google, Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart. The correct answer here is option A, Google. Recently, Maharashtra government ties up with Google to start virtual classes. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Biofuel Day is observed? 9th August, 10th August, 11th August, 12th August. The correct answer here is option B, 10th August. On 10 August, World Biofuel Day is observed. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas celebrates the World Biofuel Day. And the theme of 2020 is Biofuels towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Biofuel towards Atmanirbhar Bharat is the theme of 2020. To promote the biofuel in the environment, World Biofuel Day is observed. And Dharmendra Pradhan is the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas of our India. Okay. Our next question is, who has been launched the submarine connectivity to Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Prakash Javadekar, option D, Piyush Goyal. The correct answer here is option A, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Recently, the submarine optical fiber cable OFC, optical fiber cable connecting Andaman and Nicobar Island to the mainland has been launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, and the Lieutenant Governor of the Andaman and Nicobar Island is, who is the Lieutenant Governor of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Admiral D.K. Joshi. Admiral D.K. Joshi is the Lieutenant Governor of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which country will construct a monument for Indian soldier? Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar. The correct answer here is option C, Bangladesh. Bangladesh has took a decision to construct a monument for the Indian soldier. The country will establish the monuments for the Indian soldier who died in 1971 the Bangladesh-Pakistan war. Okay, Bangladesh is in news. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Currency is Taka. Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina, and Abdullah Hamid is the President of Bangladesh. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which country has been declared state of environmental emergency? Mauritius, Australia, China, America. The correct answer here is Mauritius. Option A is correct here. A state of environmental emergency has been declared by the island nation of Mauritius. The island nation of the Mauritius. Okay, due to leaking tons of fuel into the surrounding water of the islands. You can see the image of the leaking of the oil of from a ship in the islands. So a state environmental emergency is declared by Mauritius government. Okay, the Prime Minister of the Mauritius is Pravin Jugnauth. Pravin Jugnauth is the Prime Minister, and Prithviraj Singh Ropan. Prithviraj Singh Ropan is the President of Mauritius. Okay. Question number 5. Flipkart has partnered with whom for ODOP scheme? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Gujarat. The correct answer here is Uttar Pradesh. Option B is correct here. Flipkart has signed an MOU with One District One Product ODOP means one district, one product scheme of the government of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, the MOU will bring the artists, weavers, and craftsmen under the OTOP scheme. To help the artist, weaver, and craftsmen, this scheme is signed between Flipkart and Uttar Pradesh government. Okay, Uttar Pradesh is in news. The capital is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath, and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Next question. KVIC will open the silk training production center in which state? Arunachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra. The correct answer here is Arunachal Pradesh. Option A is correct here. Khadi and Village Industry Commission, KVIC, Khadi and Village Industry Commission will open the silk training production center in the tribal village of Chaulia in Arunachal Pradesh. The chairman of the KVIC is Vinay Kumar Saxena. Who is the chairman of KVIC? Vinay Kumar Saxena is the chairman of KVIC. Arunachal Pradesh is in news. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Itanagar is the capital. Pema Khandu is the chief minister here, and BD Mishra is the governor of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Next question. Former Congress leader Nandi Yella passed away. He belongs to which state? Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Bihar. The correct answer here is option B, Telangana. The former Congress leader and 8 times MP, Mr. Nandi, become passed away. He was elected to Lok Sabha 6 times. Lok Sabha 6 times and Rajya Sabha 2 times. Okay. Next question. Indian Army give 10 ventilators to whom? China, Bangladesh, Nepali Army. Option D, none of this. The correct answer here is Nepali Army. Option C is correct here. Indian Army give 10 ventilators to Nepali Army to support its effort to fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, Indian Ambassador Vinay Mohan handed this ventilator to the Nepali Army. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has recently appointed 6,000 health officer? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer here is option A, Rajasthan. Rajasthan has cleared a proposal of appointment of 6,000 health officer under the National Health Mission. Rajasthan is in news. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Chief Minister of the Rajasthan is, as per you know, Ashok Gehlot is the Chief Minister, and Kalraj Mishra is the Governor of Rajasthan. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which IIT has developed indigenous seed ball? IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur. The correct answer here is IIT Kanpur. Option B is correct here. The seed ball are comprised of indigenous variety of the seed, compost and clay. It is developed by IIT Kanpur. There is no need of the digging pit for the planting this sapling. This is the very special quality of the sapling. Okay, the indigenous seed ball. As per you know, this is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Okay. Who topped the Future Brand Index 2020? Our second question is, Padma Shri awardee Mukund Lad passed away. He was related to which field? Okay, please try to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.